Hello traders, you are welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are just going to be talking about the Anchored VWAP indicator. Okay, in case you are not familiar with this indicator, then you are in the right place because we're going to be discussing what this indicator is all about, right? Now, if you have been struggling to find accurate support and resistance levels, this indicator can completely change the way you look at the market. Unlike the standard VWAP, which resets daily, the anchored VWAP allows you to attach it to a key price point. All right. Like a major swing high. As you can see, I added an indicator that does the automatic anchoring, right? So you can see auto high / low. So this particular indicator does the anchoring automatically for us. Okay. So the anchored VWAP, I'm just going to be calling it anchored VWAP. Okay. So the anchored VWAP allows you to attach it to a key price point like major swing high, swing low, or a big news event. So this makes it a game changer for traders who want to track the true value of price action over time. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button to support the channel and subscribe if you want more deep dive trading strategies. Now let us break down exactly how to set up and trade with the anchored VWAP indicator. So what exactly is the anchored VWAP indicator? VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. That is what VWAP stands for. Okay, it's a key level that institutional traders use to determine the fair value of an asset. While the standard VWAP resets daily, the anchored VWAP allows you to manually attach it to specific price points or specific events. Okay, so you can attach it to a major swing high or swing low, or a breakout point, or an earnings report, or news event, or the start of a new trend. By doing this, traders can track the true average price based on volume from that point forward, helping to identify strong support and resistance zones. Okay, now that you understand what the anchored VWAP indicator does, let us set it up in TradingView. To add the indicator, open your TradingView and select your preferred asset, whether it's Forex, stocks, or crypto. You click on indicators and you search for the anchored VWAP. Now you might see a couple of options. All right, sorry, I didn't spell this correctly. You might see a couple of options, like you can see a whole lot of them. So this was the one that I selected here, the ones that automatically generates the anchoring to highs and lows. That was the one I selected in this particular video. Okay, now you can select from the list, all right, whichever one that you want to make use of. Okay, now this particular indicator, you can see that it does the high anchoring, the average of anchors. It displays the information for the high anchoring points, the average of anchors, and the low anchor. All right, now how do you use this indicator in your trading strategy? When price is trading within the upper channel of this anchored VWAP indicator, it indicates buy momentum. You could be looking for buy opportunities. Okay, whenever the price bounces off the middle line, you can be looking for buy opportunities. All right, shows that bulls are in control when the dominant area where price is moving is within the upper channel. shows that bulls are in control. Then when you have the anchored VWAP going horizontally, well, it shows a consolidation market, and you might want to, trade with caution or just avoid trading during that period. Then when you have the price trading predominantly in the lower channel, then it means that bears are in control, right? It means that there is bearish momentum in the market. Okay. Now, the best way to confirm high probability trades is by combining the anchored VWAP with other technical tools like RSI or MACD, for momentum confirmation. You can combine it with moving averages, to align with overall trend direction, or with Fibonacci levels for additional confluence. So when price consolidates within the anchored VWAP and then breaks in one direction, you can see this was an example of a consolidation, and then we had a breakout. It can signal a strong, if it breaks in the upward direction, you can signal a strong bullish breakout, as a bullish signal. I might want to look for bullish opportunities. If it breaks out in the downward direction, I want to look for bearish opportunities. Okay. So by understanding how price reacts around the anchored VWAP, traders can avoid weak setups and focus only on high quality trades. Now, before you start trading, here are a few pro tips to make sure you use the anchored VWAP effectively. Okay. Do not anchor to random points. Okay. Always select significant swing highs, lows, or key breakout points. That's if you're doing the anchoring manually. Then now also use multiple time frames. Check how price reacts to anchored VWAP on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily charts, to confirm the trend. Also, avoid trading in choppy markets. The anchored VWAP works best when markets are trending. Alright, and ensure you combine with price action. Use candlestick patterns, support and resistance, and market structure to increase accuracy. If you follow these tips, you'll be able to use anchored VWAP like a pro and filter out bad trades. And that is how you use the Anchored VWAP indicator for trading. This tool is one of the best ways to track institutional trading activity, giving you an edge when identifying key market levels. Some key takeaways for you. Anchored VWAP is a dynamic support and resistance tool. It helps track fair value from a specific price point, works great for trend trading and breakout confirmation, and is best used with other indicators like RSI, moving averages, and price action. Now I want to hear from you. Have you used the Anchored VWAP indicator before? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. And before you go, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.